Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's video is the first kind of festive video that I am making on this channel, and it's because I am going to do a very exciting unboxing, and not only because it is an advent calendar and first one that I received this year, but also because it is a jewelry advent calendar and I love jewelries. I've always wore them since I was a kid, so I am super excited. This video is in collaboration with Beautiful Heart Boutique. Just to be transparent, I'm not being paid for this video. They kindly sent me their 12 pieces advent calendar and I agreed to film a review to share with you my thoughts on it. So as you can see, I did a little bit of a Christmassy background. I also bought yesterday this really cute Christmas tree. This is the advent calendar, as you can see. I think that it will make a perfect Christmas gift, and it is also a jewelry advent calendar, so I'm even more excited about it. I never had like a jewelry advent calendar, so this makes it even more amazing. Let's give a look at the box. Honestly, I love how festive and elegant it looks. Before we get into the unboxing, let me tell you a bit about the brand. Beautiful Heart Boutique is a jewelry brand that offers a variety of timeless pieces. What I think it's really great for this advent calendar is that you can choose the pieces that you want to find in the boxes. So you can choose each jewelry from their website. It's not a restricted selection. So you have a big variety of choice, which is amazing because you know what you are going to find and you can choose actually jewelry that you really need, and also you can choose based on what you want to combine or what you need. And I think that this is really a plus point about this advent calendar. Another great thing is that they offer free shipping if you spend more than £35, and each piece comes with 1 year warranty. This advent calendar costs £119, and for 12 jewelry I think it's a great deal. As I said, this advent calendar has 12 boxes. They have also an advent calendar with 24 boxes, just to let you know. Okay, so now for the fun part, let's start opening the boxes. And today I'm going to open 6 of them just to give you a taste on how it is made. Okay, so let's go. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so I think that I'm going to start, of course, with box number 1. These are the teardrop earrings. I wanted to buy them for so long, and that's why I chose them. I love them. I wanted them for so long, so I'm excited to try them on. I think that they look great. In the description is written that they are hypoallergenic, tarnish free and water resistant. That's also why I chose them, and also because they look amazing. I love them. Okay, now let's go to the next box. And I think that I'm going to choose the number 8. Why not? Okay, so this is a bracelet. Usually I don't wear many bracelets, that's why I wanted to have some more. I also choose the necklace similar to this one to make like a combo. I made it. Oh, I love it. This is really beautiful. This is also hypoallergenic, water resistant and tarnish free, so you don't have to take it off if you shower or if you wash your hands. It looks very elegant and beautiful. What do you think? I like it. Okay, so for the next one I am going to choose this box right here. Ooh, this is beautiful. I wanted to buy this necklace for so long and I'm happy that I had this opportunity right now. This is very simple and elegant. I think that makes an outfit looks very elevated. And also, as you can see, is similar to this bracelet, so that's why I choose them. And you can choose how long you like it, so you can put it like longer or shorter, whatever you like. Now let's go to the next box. Okay, so now I'm going to choose the number 2, and let's see which one is it. Oh, I was hoping to find this one. This is called the bubble letter necklace because, as you can see, the letter looks like a little bubble, which is lovely. You can customize this one with whatever letter you want. There is the first letter of my name.
I chose this one because I thought it would pair perfectly with this other necklace, and luckily I was absolutely right.
And it's even more beautiful now that I see it. I think that these two looks lovely together as I hoped for. These two are my favorite pieces. Let's go to our 5th box already, and I hope it's going to be a ring. So let's see. This feels like a ring because it's very light. Let's try this one. Oh yes, it is a ring. I was a bit scared with the rings because, you know, with the size it's a bit complicated. So I hope that I chose the right size for me. Okay, I don't want to ruin everything here. Oh, okay.
The ring is called Maisie Crystal and Pearl Flower Ring, as you can see.
Where can I put it? Here? Yes. Okay, it's perfect for this one. I have other gold rings already, so I wanted to choose something different.
So a little twist is always good. And this is an up close.
Okay, and for the last box, what is this? Wait, I don't want to break anything. This is another necklace. As you can tell, I love necklaces. It also has these little bubbles, but it feels not too much. It really feels very elegant. I really love the quality of the necklaces. This one is beautiful. The necklaces are my favorites. That's it. So, final thoughts. I'm pretty happy with this advent calendar. The quality is there, and also what I really love about this advent calendar is that you can choose what to put inside the boxes. So if you want to gift it to someone else or to yourself, I feel like it makes it more personal, and it is such a fun way to have a mini jewelry surprise every day. Thank you so much for doing this unboxing with me. I hope that you enjoyed discovering the pieces with me because I had a lot of fun. So let me know if you liked them, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!